everyone, welcome to day 144 of a Stitch a Day 365 days to crochet challenge. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to crochet the archway stitch. This stitch is crocheted on a stitch multiple of 7 plus 2. Here I have 14 plus 2, 16 stitches. Into the second chain from the hook, you're going to crochet one single crochet, and now you're going to do the same thing for the next 3 stitches. That is, the stitch starts off with 4 single crochets onto the first 4 chains. Now this row is a setup row. After the 4 single crochet, you're going to do 3 chains, and into the very next stitch, you're going to make 7 single crochet stitches. You can see my stitch bending a little bit. That's because of the chain 3, which will be straightened out once you do the shell stitches on it. So into the next 7 stitches, you're just going to make 1 single crochet into each. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Again, chain 3. You're going to do the 7 single crochets chain 3 till you have 4 stitches left, where you will be doing 4 single crochets to end your row. So basically we are splitting the shell stitches into 2 halves by crocheting 4 single crochets on either side. Okay, so now chain 1, turn your work into the first single crochet. You're going to make 1 single crochet, and you're going to crochet 9 double crochet stitches into the chain 3 space. Now in the middle stitch of the 7 single crochets, that is the 4th stitch, you're going to make 1 single crochet, again making 9 double crochet stitches into the chain 3 space. Your row ends with 1 single crochet. So in the archway stitch, you kind of straighten out the shell stitches after every shell stitch row. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So to do that, you'll be crocheting a double crochet together stitch. So this row ends with 1 single crochet. So at the end of row 1, this is how your work will look. So here's the pattern diagram. You can see after each of the shell stitch, we are straightening out by making these together stitches. Okay. So this row, it starts off with a 3 chain, and you're going to skip the very first double crochet, pick up the second one, make an incomplete double crochet, again skip the next one, make 1 incomplete double crochet, and you're going to close the incomplete double crochet stitch. Now chain 3, into the very next stitch, you're going to make 1 single crochet. Okay, again chain 3. So this chain 3, 1 single crochet, and chain 3 counts as 7 single crochets. So you're going to chain 3, skip the next stitch, and into the next one, start off your next incomplete double crochet stitch. Again, you're going to skip one stitch and you're going to make one more incomplete double crochet. Again skip this stitch here, this one, and this is the single crochet and this one. So you're going to skip the next 3 stitches, yarn over, go into the next one, 1 2 3, and you're going to make one double crochet. Again skip one, make one double crochet. So between the shell stitches you're going to do a 4 double crochet together stitch. Again chain 3, you're going to single crochet onto the very next stitch. Again skip one, and end your row with another double crochet together stitch. So this is how your row 2 will look. Again chain 1, make one single crochet, you have to chain 3 before going into the next one. Chain 3 on either side of the single crochet. I missed the chain 3. Okay, so chain 1, turn your work on top of the together stitch, and on top of the 3 chains you're going to make one single crochet in each, which counts as 4 single crochets. Okay, then you're going to make 3 chains and skip this single crochet here. Again start making 4 single crochets on top of the chain 3 and on top of the together stitch. Okay, and on top of the next chain 3, totaling to 7 single crochet stitches. Okay, so once you have 7 stitches, you are again going to make a chain 3, skip the single crochet, and your work ends with 4 single crochets. Okay, so again chain 1, make one single crochet on the very first stitch, and you're going to make your 9 double crochet shell onto the chain 3 space, and then again you straighten out the stitches. Here's the pattern for this. Okay, so basically you start with a single crochet, make a shell stitch, make one single crochet, shell stitch on chain 3, single crochet, shell stitch, single crochet, shell stitch, and single crochet. Then your row starts with a 3 together, from this side. Your row starts with a 3 together stitch, again chain 3, single crochet on the middle stitch of the shell, again 3, 4 together stitches, again 3 chains, single crochet, chain 3, again 4 together, and 3 chains. So this is how the pattern goes. You can take a screenshot of this pattern and you can continue to crochet to any length that you want. Do try out this stitch. If you have any doubt, you can leave it in the comment section, or you can reach us directly on our Instagram page, and I'll meet you tomorrow with yet another interesting crochet video. Thank you.